I'm just gonna need probably about three more bricks.
We've got 6x6s here that we've had them curing in the back, and we've got our anchors here, our post anchors secured to all the corners of the slab, and we have 6 corner posts and 6 anchors, and we're about to get those installed in the anchors. Once we do that, we have double LVLs to run across the front because they'll be load bearing, and then double LVLs across the other porch. And there'll be double 2x10 running from this post tied to the LVL back into the house where you see the notch up there. That way we can slide it into the notch, and it's on the outside corner, so we want to secure it well to the existing structure to make this corner stronger. We'll have another double 2x10 joist here to tie the joist to on the outside. 2x10 over here, kind of an intermediary that the joist will tie to going both directions. And then we already have our joists run over on the other side. So that's our project for today.
Doggies, you like your new house?
In the
Like your new porch?
In the video, did you see the dog?
I gotta watch more.
Another torrential downpour just moved through the area. It's let up quite a bit now, and you can still hear the thunder in the distance. But any other project in town, everybody would have quit and gone home. But here we have our tarp situated in such a way to protect the house, everything around the perimeter of the house from rain, and protect us and the structure so that we can keep working. And then you can look down below us. The masons are working as they have a tarp over their work area. We're about the only contractor that does it this way, but it makes for a much better job and allows us to keep working and keep on schedule, so we don't have to use weather as an excuse for why the job has taken so long.
Yeah.
Well, I'm standing here in the middle of the entry stairs for the porch. Our mason over here, Mitch, of Masonry Works, he's doing the block foundation now. And inside the block foundation, you can see we've put up 2 end stringers for guides for the stairs so that the walls can be erected, and then once they're dry, they'll be cut off and a cap will be put on. The landing will be here, then you'll turn and come down the rest of the way, another 3 steps here. When we started the week, there was the form board still on the top slab, so we took those off, put our post anchors in, put the posts in. There is 4 6x6 #1 pressure treated posts here and 2 over there, and they're securely anchored to the slab. Once we had that in, we could build the floor system, and which is the ceiling of the front porch. Then we framed the roof, cut the rafter tails, put in a subfascia, decked this portion of the roof. We have our gable walls framed, and we worked a little bit on the center dormer, getting that sheathed in. And now we've moved over to this gable over here, and we've got our perimeter beam in, and we've got our ridge in, and the 2 gable rafters. So we're set up to finish installing the rafters there, the valley jack rafters, and then we'll deck it and move to the center and finish off the center, get the roof decked. And then once the roof is decked, we can put on our felt and then take down the tarp. And then the whole neighborhood will get to see what's going on.
My dad was born on La Vista Road, Freddie Young, and my granddad was Ansley Young, born right here in DeKalb County. And then my great-granddaddy, Dallas Young, I presume he was born right here in DeKalb County too, he was. And then George Young, born probably, I know I researched it, 1832.
Wow.
Right, 1832. But anyway, I know my granddad and my great-granddaddy, Dallas Young, they were Masons, because Dallas helped build the church over there, built the church called Mount Zion, right on La Vista Road.
Yeah.
He built that church.
Wow.
And but my dad, he actually learned brick masonry from an older gentleman in the community. And my dad eventually employed the man that taught him masonry. Yeah, he was very good. So that's why I learned the craft.